Muthikiriria na muroreri wa Pacific Coast Television ndakugeithia na muthenya wa muthi ndoka gucera guku gwa Champions Real Estate kuria tugucemania na mutumia wetagwo Grace Wamwere na niwe ukoragwo CEO na ndoka niguo muthikiriria na muroreri tate gutaro na kwirwo uria tungeta kwigwatira nyumba guku mwena wa America.
Champions Real Estate Company ni kambuni iri gatofuruni wa America hari wendia wa nyumba ciakitwo na mwakire wa kiriu. Ni makuhete mweke waku we muikari wa America kuigera na nyumba yaku kiumbe. Kiariwa Prestige ni acerete kambuni ino akagea na umenyo mwingi wigie wendia wa nyumba na niwe uhaririye riboti ino. Madam Grace Wamwere murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino ya Champions Real Estate akoretwo wira-ini uyu kwa makiria ma miaka 18 na kwoguo ari na uge mwingi na utaramu wa kirathi kia iguru hari wendia wa nyumba America. Amungirora imwe cia nyumba iria arendia ni kirorerwa ni iri na mwakire na mucoro wa kuguciriria maitho.
Ni tutagite for a very long time. Already have kiambiriria-ini kambuni ni koretwo ko for 20 years. I've been doing koretwo ngiruta wira for 18 years.
18 years. Riu ni njui he ciuria ciicokagira.
Yes.
No ciguagite na andu aria wendagiria ira ne magurire kana matiagurire. Kana andu make enquiries.
Yes.
He ciuria iria ciicokagira muno.
Nikuo.
Ino rikane ciuria imwe iria uragio muno ni customers yaku.
Most people are afraid of credit, and others are afraid of income. Others are afraid of how much they'll be paying a month, but we're here to help them and let them know it's possible.
Mutaratara wa uguri wa nyumba ni muhuthu ta uria aratariria.
We help people own their own homes, own American trips.